Ti Shoba Risika, I say Omoba Ababo game no catch Rubia say Ane Kotoko de offer player for player. I mean individually no more players pa. Mamu said any team Mfanche Ayadriana about discipline bibia omo HT Edna Awago Pamano so no into the moment so be peke aya 1 point at the free Kumasi Baba said also no there or you happy and satisfied with result now. Omunsu enya ko didi dramani. Also still na heart of problem no. Edian has into me and Shegusi.
We still will win matches. I have that conviction that we'll win matches. We just need to improve on our decision making. In today's game, if we had made some better decisions in some key moments of the game, in some decisive moment of the game, the results would have been different again. So I believe that when we continuously play with courage, that is very key in the sessions that we have, is playing with courage, exhibiting our identity, still in our positional play, and then getting the key areas, and then we can turn and then play.
Okay. Eti called my sweet Didi Dramano, sister and has a problem. A born on the 2 no. The final third has a born so more transity a pass born a real opponent box no money problem. But more carbon at 2 no. That has always been the problem for a has a folk a team no. Baby, any games no come has about draw so no about draw.
Which was over the weekend, you have a pretty much analysis. Mikacho said has here the one of the best teams with away from home. Aduana say one of the best teams going away from home. And when avoided defeat, we expected as a folks to beat Sweden All Blacks because Sweden All Blacks home form and even away it's not good enough. And that is a game that should have won. There was a clear-cut chance over the weekend. Me who's that chance now? I decided I was going to show it to you on Monday. Rich, I don't know. Say, and maybe a nothing I did Dramani I can say. Has to folk have to be confident in themselves in playing their football they are. Because some of the chances that force the House of Folk players now are mission. They play all the football, open the spaces, born in Betomom, mission goes now. And it is becoming one too many, Rich. These answers were just 16
points. But I say, yeah. General problem, and you hasn't gone.
Yeah.
So we share league now, but even extended to them Black Stars in the book. Goal scoring, hey, problem.
Yeah.
How do you better than solve problem no? Because you players no sense chances to do.
Ibacho me the
chance go on a player say na. I mean, so what actually what you say play how on earth? And I say chance we.
My send the image be to Gabby WhatsApp and I don't know Jeff so WhatsApp. I don't know if omit me a pause and I still image Zamaya. Which clear cut chance. Nice build up from Haas. Then the ball ends up in the post. Hearts are unable to bury the chance. And like all coaches in Akano, you're finishing about Kumasi. This is very, very bad. And say you're showing and finding ways. Coaches don't work on finishing for your players now. We always sing this song. Wait. Kotoko, any Aduana Buenra. Do you see it as 2 points missed for Aduana or 2 points missed for Kotoko?
They are not game to honest with you.
Why don't anybody and no results now? Kotoko and Aduana.
I think both. Obi any better home.
Why?
Because a game me first half. Let me say na say Aduana kill a game no. When your chances be a say go to me take here. Can defense story and pay.
Alright, before that, it was a very, very good game of football from both sides, especially Aduana.
Yeah, Aduana first 30 minutes there. Omo bobo come up. And I think like I told you. So I'm going to take you on my chances. Ebian Komo ko abai 2-3 against Kotoko.
Yeah.
Ebian Kame 1-1.
There was a young midfielder with the Aduana team called Seydou Sana. Which that is good talent. When you say Ghana, I see you pay midfielders almost pay ball no every almost pay winning almost money a day no ajibon. But this is a midfielder that was solid also on the ball in both phases. When in ball and I hear say ball the last Milo games are senior high schools who come out here Bonibino for one of the senior high schools. Very, very good player, Seydou Sana. On the ball, off the ball, the passing ability, the BI was spot on, and also good physique in terms of how he wants to play his game. It was a very good one for the. I don't think the conversation is about someone fear Betamo and someone fear. Which Shoba Aristika said something before the game. It is true. Kotoko don't play. Kotoko team any cohesive. Like sa normal telepathic relationships no ain't shared anyhow. So what's some big Caribbean and it affects them. But look at Aduana. They were much more cohesive. It was more like a team, very organized, well organized. Bono boni nano. Sebe obi any maybe any young kujina. So even about automatisms, look at Bonako. And Kotoko seemed to lack that. Again, I think that was just a better day also for Aduana. They came in as underdogs, they had a plan, and they nearly hit Kotoko in that regard, which Kotoko need to do more. Let's say Kotoko for start to shake.
Striker.
What was the plan for selling Abetawa?
So how about the end of Kotoko for Nachim? Said that and count plans and come back to Brandon.
But Unya says, can you have to reinvest that money?
I told you, but this is a BA transfer in January. I know for sure, saying January Kotoko will buy another striker.
Kotoko has been getting goals from a lot of midfielders. They do more. They get goals from elsewhere. Bitamido, Aquamo, all of them score goals. The team should create chances. In fact, the chance creation for Kotoko on the day was not as better as a Aduana full team. Yeah. So they need to do better in that regard. Which means why they be. Tickets no more fans a kosher ball no me share. Ye teams no. Omo fan show mo dream say football no ye to ama ye fans no reach a full package. Which look at these tickets that we saw. Say paper say ma say we track a ticket to a lorry station one track mu ko baby. Easily obi betimi generate. Yeah, and reach it has to be there a betimi the memory grabber. Because Obi-Wan more keeping the tickets.
Yeah, the new room where you
and I make us say no, but say but how we can, because these things can be good ornaments I bet me use for the game going forward.
Yeah, so
some of these things you're supposed to look at. It's part of the general marketing and branding of your ball. No, it's important. Elsewhere, these things we have to look at them. Yes, you focus on ball, no, but we have to look at all of those things as well.
Okay. Na yaba to also the amamu parking. Eti show no New York Browns. Yaba